Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can easily reset the screenshot counter if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. To begin with, simply go to search and type regedit and select registry editor. Now go to the video description, you will find this location, simply copy it from there and paste it in the address bar of registry editor, pressing Ctrl+V together and hit enter. Now go to the screenshot index key, right click over it and select modify. In the value data, set it to 1 and click OK. That's it, the job is done. Now whenever you take screenshots, it will again start from 1 as the counter is totally reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.